Jeff. Ah, that's hilarious. Ain't nobody in.
There was some people that was behind me.
Dang. Sheesh. Alright. POV.
Green flags got everything. Shorty bad, she insane. She just won't give me bang. But can't be my man. You know I gotta say this bitch. Don't trip.
Hey man, should I get a tinted like this?
I swing around this bitch like I'm playing baseball. Ain't get no Zach Carolina place. I'm rolling out on football. Make me fuck y'all. They the motherfucker.
Morris Production.
Hey man, say man, welcome back to a brand new video. Your boy Later Full Time, man. And look, we got the lifted Yukon in the bag, boys. Eee. But before we get started in today's video, go ahead and like it, subscribe if you're new, and comment if you got anything to say, man. But look, you guys been on the channel and tuned in for a long time. You know that I've been waiting to get this boy lifted. So look, this truck has been sitting for about 3 weeks, so it took a week to get the lift on, and then now I haven't driven it for 2 weeks. If you guys can't tell, look, the alignment is off very bad. The track width is very wide in the front because the spindle is going to push it out a little bit, so regardless of the alignment, I'm going to need spacers to fix the track width, but the alignment is terrible. So this is with my wheels straight. You guys can see the top of the tires are bowed out a significant amount. You can tell really good in that angle, but yeah. So with that being said, the truck is very undrivable. I'll put up a clip of how bad the steering wheel was. Hey yo, that ain't good. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. What the? You'll see that it was terrible, man. Like, literally completely 90 degrees to the left, so I couldn't drive like that. I had something go down where I took it to the alignment shop, and you guys will get a clip of that as well. But my inner tie rod here, as you can see, the boot is out like that right now because I'm working on it. But my inner tie rod came out. It just unbolted from there, right there. Yep. So the inner tie rod came out. You guys will see the clip in a second on screen, and that happened while the alignment shop was driving it after they aligned it. He literally drove that thing back with some luck, man. I gotta give it to him on that. I owe the truck to him. I don't know how he got it back. What in the world? That was just a failure. I don't know why that happened. It could have totaled my truck, to be honest. I don't know how he even drove it back to the shop. I'm so glad that he did not wreck it, but look, here it is. So yeah. That is back in the spot where it's supposed to be, and now I'm supposed to be getting the truck aligned. So yeah, let me explain to you guys what I got going on with the lift kit though. So for the lift, we have a MAXTRAC 7 and 9 inch adjustable. I'm running the 7.5 inch rough country struts. You guys can see there. Also, I have the rough country forged control arms, and then that's all I have for the front setup as well. Once I got the lift put on, I did go ahead and get brand new CV axles on both sides, so there goes the lift setup. As far as the back, you guys know the back is stock. Yeah, I do have this. I do have the rear lift right here, rear leveling kit, just in case I need to put it in. But there's that. You guys, The next newest thing I've done since you guys have seen the truck, let's go ahead and put those on, are the wheel lights, man. Sheesh. Throw a couple pictures up on screen of them. Now, these wheel lights are the double row pure white. These are from Oracle. These are from shout out Oracle for the wheel lights. Turned out fire. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the update on the truck, man. Right now, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get some fire B-roll for the boys, and let's go ahead and get her done. Yes, sir. Toot wagon POV going dummy. That Rio got too much money for me. You hear it rubbing? Golly. What just happened? Whole truck just about turned off. That wheel light's going off for now. I don't know what that was. Seatbelt going on. Y'all saw that? Maybe because I ain't drove it in a while. Whole thing just about turned off. That was weird. Very weird. These are my neighbors that be saying what's up to me all the time. What's up, fella? Riding. Alright, look at this, boys. We posted up super illegal at the Zaxby's. You know, looking schmackulent. Gotta get the flick for Snap. Sheesh. Easy on. Car bro lagging. What's up, bro? Hey, got the vlog on. It's dirty, it's dirty. Just a little bit, man. Not as dirty as mine, though. Oh yeah, hold on. Dirty.
Are you checking a new alignment?
It's terrible. I haven't drove it all week.
Oh, you went ahead and got uppers too?
Oh yeah. Well, I've been had these.
Extended up?
Yeah.
That means you can stack back.
Yeah, boy.
Angle though.
I don't know what's wrong with that ball joint. He said it was in the box like that. I mean, that control arm. I mean, CV axle.
CV axle?
Yeah. But he just said it's because it was like squished in the box. He was like, it should get normal, you know, shape.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
I was like, it looked weird. Man.
Yeah, bro, you can stack.
Yeah, I'm about to stack.
You can stack.
I'm about to stack. I'm putting the whole 3-inch right here.
Oh, you putting a 3? Bro, you wild, bro.
What you talking about, bro? I'm putting the whole 3-inch on it. Look.
Nigga about a full send that bitch.
Look. Where's that? I'm about to take the whole 3-inch. Put in the.
Bro, you about to full send that bitch. Don't be like me, bro. I already got the squat, nigga.
Oh!
Yeah, I got one.
Hey!
Damn. Hey, that shit looks good, bro.
Appreciate it. It's like, yeah. I'm liking it. I just can't wait to get in alignment because I ain't drove it.
Wait, were these the
That's just in case I put the back on.
Oh, this is for the back.
Yeah, because I ain't trying to.
Damn, yeah, he did have to cut the Is this your back cross member?
Yeah. Front cross member? I don't know.
Because there's two. Well, mine I had to cut two, the back one and the front one. So I have two of those.
Oh, two?
And I have my struts and then my stock uppers.
See, yeah, he changed my uppers a while ago, so I forgot
Yeah, that's
to
right.
ask for my stocks.
It must be nice to have your wheel lights working, bro.
Dude, yeah.
My shit could chow.
Oh, no.
Nigga, my shit could chow.
Oh, God.
Oh, wait. You can probably connect this bitch back, huh? Cause look. All you gotta do is just push it in. Fuck that shit. I ain't trying to do it.
You trying to do it right now?
I ain't trying to do that shit for you. Yeah, but these are the Canetos right here.
Yeah, they go hard. I like that.
Yeah, bro, whenever he stacked my shit, my fucking camera was bad.
See?
Nigga,
Yeah.
my wheel was like this. Like, it was like this. But
So-
yeah, it did give it some height though. It was like, I was like, before I had it, my truck was like, right,
Sheesh.
like this.
What you gonna do about the squad ticket? Nothing? Or you?
No, it's because the only reason that my shit is like leaning the way it is because I have drop checkers in the back.
Wow. Illegal?
Yeah,
What was I doing?
I like those wheel lights though, cause these cause the only shit I like about them is that they actually come with their own bracket already. Like that
Oh,
black
yeah?
bracket, I like that. This bracket you have to build it and then put the wheel on top of it.
Okay.
So,
Does it come with the kit though, or you have
yeah,
to?
yeah,
Okay.
it comes with the kit. Yeah. And I went
Okay.
ahead and put spacers in the back of my truck too. I didn't
Dang.
have no space.
Low key, I didn't know that, or else I would have put them in myself.
What?
The wheel lights, because I thought you had to build it.
Those they're Bluetooth, right? Or they're just straight up.
Oh yeah, yeah. See, yeah.
Oh, so
I,
you just got-
For a trip, I up and
Alright.
skip from out there. Bang, gang, know that what I
POV.
bang. Green flags got everything. Short as bad, she ain't insane. She just won't give me bang. But can't be my man. You know I gotta say this bitch. Don't trip.
Hey, man, should I get a tinted like this? Drop
I
it.
swing around this bitch like I'm playing baseball. Ain't get no Zach Carolina as I'm rolling out on football. Make me fuck y'all. They the motherfucker.
boy got that all stick. Exhaust
And I was
stick.
talking about that right now. I'm gonna give him a call, but I don't know. I mean, all my lawyer wants is just a damn receipt that I got a muffler installed. So I was just thinking, I'm gonna start my receipt job and just get a paper receipt.
That boy about to slide. Slide.
Later that same evening.
We got squat truck to the rescue. Gotta go take the VP to my cousin. This is about to be an epic rescue in the vlog, so we're gonna drive the terrible alignment truck to go get him, go rescue him. So let's do that. This thing is not in the shape to be rescuing anybody. If anything, you hear that rubbing? It needs to be rescued itself. But here we are. Hopefully we can get it done. Let's go. Tow pig to the rescue.
Oh yeah, to get that one, did you?
Yep. Yep.
You got it back here?
Yep. You good?
All the way in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, to get that one, did you?
Most stiff. Ah, that's hilarious. Had to. This man. I was like, something is wrong. You
Hood
think?
flew off, cracked the hood. Look on the other side.
Dog. That ain't that bad though. It is a little.
I was just about to step into it, and I just remembered, I was like, I ain't got my hood pins. Next thing I know, flicker,
Where'd it go?
way up in the sky.
You had to run off and grab it. You had to pull off.
Yeah.
Dang. Where at? Where at?
That road over there.
Oh, they hit nothing. They hit nobody yet.
There was some people that was behind me.
Dang. At least I didn't hit the windshield and crack it. Like, at least he didn't. Even though you gotta replace it, but still, like, dang. Crazy day out here.
Yeah, like I said, I asked the first like, dude, I don't have a phone. All right, whatever.
Bro.
He was just on the
You had to
phone.
ask for a phone too.
Huh?
You had to ask for. I texted
Yeah.
you. I said, "Where you go?" But you.
My phone was in the house.
I should have came out, man. I knew.
Hey, look,
I knew it.
that's why I left my keys on the table.
Yeah, because I saw them, but I was like, I mean, I knew they were there. I remember you
Yeah.
put them down, but then I was like, that's crazy. that something told me, man.
Oh,
Something told me, but I didn't know the hood was gonna come. God.
Yeah, I was starting to think. I said, that white man got me.
He's where?
Nah, 'cause I was like,
Like, how'd you run out of gas at the gas station? Good. You heading out? I can put it back in there. You want it back? All right. Can't even hear my truck. Barely.
appreciate that.
Yeah, I got you. All right. Hey.